Hello everyone, it's Justine. Today I'm going to open up day number 22 and I only have a couple doors left, which is kind of exciting but also a little sad because I've really enjoyed doing this. So I have 22, 23, and 24 left. So let's just open up this day 22 and see what's inside. Embellishments, very beautiful. Alright, so here we are with some embellishments. These are kind of a really interesting color. They're kind of like a mauve color. I always joke that my skin color is pink because I'm a pink gal. This kind of reminds me of my skin color. Anyway, I have some iridescent pinky kind of smooth discs slash sequins. Again, I'm still not quite sure what to call these. There's not a hole, so they're not technically a sequin, although they are beveled on the edge, as you can see. So I don't really think I would call them a smooth disc either, but who knows, maybe that's what they're called. Regardless, they are the SDS-271W22, so that's the product number if you're interested in picking those up. They might be for sale on the Spellbinders website. I'm not sure if they are exclusive to this advent calendar or not, but I guess time will tell. Anyway, only 2 more days left to open and only 3 days left until Christmas. So hopefully you're enjoying some time with your family, and I guess by day 22 this will be my first day of Christmas break, which is so wonderful. And I'm a kindergarten teacher, so I love enjoying the Christmas time with family and such, so I love Christmas break. So I am pre-filming these, but I am opening them up one at a time here. So let's see, we have only a couple days left till Christmas, and I'm sure by the time this video goes up I'm going to be just so excited and thrilled for Christmas break even more, and maybe there'll be even more snow on the ground. I guess we'll just have to see. Anyway, come on back for day number 23 and 24 and we'll see what's inside the rest of my advent calendar. Thanks for watching. Bye.